Hi, and welcome to today's video where I will be talking about the benefits of using AI in project management. Now, as you all know, AI is a big buzzword, and a lot of people are now incorporating AI into their daily lives and part of their work, and that's no different for project management. So in this video, what I will be covering is really some benefits such as enhanced decision making, resource management, predictive analytics, automated task management, risk management, mitigation, and improved communication. So without delay, let's crack on with the video. So one of the benefits of AI, and if you're not familiar with AI basically is an automation tool or a piece of software that really crunches a lot of data very, very quickly. So one of the top segments or I say benefits, I would say, is enhanced decision making. Now with AI around there, it's able to crunch large data sets and provide insights into making informed decision making. Like if you have a whole vast amount of data, you can crunch it within seconds, which will give you the information that you need to do to make good decisions. And that's really a big one, where it's going to benefit the team and benefit you as a project manager to make the right decisions at the right time. Next one is efficient resource management. Now, AI can optimize resource allocation by considering project requirements and team strengths. And there's huge potential here where you can manage your resource more effectively and automate this really, so that it's done or it's done for you. And as a project manager, it's one of the it's taken away some of the work, but it is actually making things better for you. And in my opinion, managing your resource more effectively means that you can deliver faster, you can deliver more, and you can make sure that you can highlight risks, etc. So managing your resource is going to be a big benefit. Another one is predictive analytics. Now, this is where AI is able to predict capabilities that can anticipate project delays, issues, and trends. So how does if it can predict a delay, predict issues and trends, and we don't have a crystal ball as project managers, but ultimately the more information we have, or anything that can give us an insight to possible delays in the future, that would be a massive win for us all. And the next one is automated task management. Now, this is basically where it frees up the time for the project manager. And so, actually, once you've inputted the data, let's get this right. Once you've inputted your tasks for your project, it can automatically manage that, make sure that your schedules are kept up to date, prompting you when you need to put inputs in, has a piece of work been done, etc. All those things can be automated, which means that you are prompted rather than having to constantly review and make sure that you're going and moving forward. The next one is risk mitigation. So now the good thing about AI with risk mitigation is AI is very good at crunching historical data, and by crunching historical data very quickly, it potentially could identify risks and suggest risk mitigation strategies. And these are really important. If it can crunch through historical data of repetitive projects, it can potentially say, actually, you're making this error consistently, correct it, let's do it this way. And that's a big one, I think, in my opinion. And then a final one is really improved communication. So the beauty about AI is that it can analyze any language and work with, and there's no time frame, there's no limitation for which country you work in, or etc. It can translate other from Australia, people in Singapore, people in India. You can translate all the languages and work as a collaborative team, which could encompass better communication, more efficient, takes away any language barriers, does all the translations for you. It just improves that whole communication and makes it more efficient. So in summary, AI is here, it's coming, there's loads of benefits, there are loads of risks, but overall, from a project perspective, yes, it's going to take away a small percentage of all our repetitive tasks, but I think it will enhance the role more efficiently, which means that you could do more, you can deliver more, and you provide more value. So from a project manager perspective, I think really embracing these tools is going to make a massive difference. I hope you enjoy that video, and thank you for listening.